Hi, Scooter. What are you doing? Are you being a good girl? Hi. You want to talk? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? You want to step up? You want to step up? What are you doing? What are you sitting on? Oh my goodness, is that a coffee mug holder? It is. That's really cool. Yeah, I know. So what'd you do today? Really? Was it a lot of fun? Yeah? You're cute. Are you a pretty girl? You are? What makes you so pretty? Huh? Step up, that's what makes you so pretty? You know you're not making any sense, right? Yeah? No sense, huh? You're funny. You want to step up? You want to step up? Or are you like sitting there? Can you say bye? Can you say bye to everybody? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Scooter.